right now we are actually doing something a little different and quick today. So I am doing some buffalo chicken lettuce wraps. I just literally cleaned my chicken, and I'm doing these slits in it because it's going to help the seasoning actually go all the way through.
Is that salmon?
No, it's chicken.
Are you saying the chicken body?
Yeah. Put this in the sink because we're finished with our night for right now. Wash your hands.
That's raw chicken here cooking.
Oh my god. So goofy. Alright, just wash my hands, y'all. Seasoning we're gonna be using for this is I'm gonna be doing some slap your mama. I'm trying to make this as fast as possible, y'all. I'm already behind. Try to do front and back. Probably should have did some olive oil in it, but I feel like it'll still stick regardless. You guys see it? The full view. Alright. Also gonna do.
Hey, Mama, you said Gushers has juice in them.
It does. Some plain salt.
But you were lying.
What?
Bruh.
They do have juice in them.
Oh, just kidding.
Some onion salt. Some garlic powder. Oh, I think I'm out of garlic powder, y'all. Alright, garlic powder. There we go. Whoop. About to fall. We got some seasoning salt. Alright, so we do have some olive oil in our pot already, y'all, cooking up. And then we're just gonna throw some roasted garlic and herb as well on this chicken. And then, y'all, I'm just gonna take it, throw it in the sink. Alright, y'all, so this is only a little bit of my chicken. I'm just doing enough to pretty much put into one of my lettuce wraps. So we're going to be mixing in our Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo sauce. Not too much, but just a little bit of it.
Bruh.
I don't know what I just did. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is high tide gnat season, and I find myself constantly finding them around the house, especially since the fact that I keep like bananas, and then also I've been buying pineapple and cuties a lot because TK likes oranges, and they are just everywhere, y'all. Like out of nowhere, I did find these little cute looking apple gnat catchers that seem to work, but it doesn't seem like it's like a really permanent fix for them. Like it's catching them, but I'm still seeing them. So like it's catching them, but like it's not keeping them like going. So it's like, what is the main cause of them like being here? And then we're just adding some Hidden Valley Ranch, y'all. I didn't even say that. Hidden Valley Ranch. And we're gonna take our little spoon, and I'm just gonna mix that all in. TK, what is going on in there? And like I said, y'all, this is literally only enough for one wrap, pretty much. Probably a little bit over one wrap, but it should last me like 2 more days with the chicken that I got left, especially if I'm only going to eat one. If I eat more than one, it'll probably last me like a day.
Hey, Daddy, I played Roblox a lot.
But now that everything is pretty mixed
I haven't played
in.
that since a year.
Since a year. So cute. Anyways, y'all, so that's mixed in.
I'm trying to find Titanfall. I think my mommy deleted it.
I ain't deleted it.
Bruh.
Always bringing me in stuff.
Bro, mommy, I'm looking for Titanfall and it says it's not there.
I don't know what to tell you. I ain't delete nothing. I ain't got time to delete nothing.
Deleted Titanfall.
I ain't got time to delete nothing.
Just deleted Titanfall.
Bruh.
Told you! You depleted!
Alright, y'all. Be back after I rinse my lettuce off. Alright, y'all. Mixed everything together and added some triple cheddar cheese on top. And this was the final result. I also added a little bit more Hidden Valley on there. I was not intending on adding this much Hidden Valley on there, but it squirted out more than what I was trying to do. And this is what came up. So this was the final product. It was super hot, y'all. And I needed something fast and quick because I'm eating late again. I do not be intending on eating this late, but it just happens. So like I said, y'all, this was the final product. 100 and some degrees outside. You guys know I have a window unit. Don't want to make the window unit work extra hard by turning on the oven. So this is what we were working with today. Just two, because like I said, it is super late. Girls on a weight loss journey. This was the final meal. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Until next time, I will see you. Bye.